Welcome to this short, restful Yoga Nidra practice, part of my Zen System Reset offerings. Zen System Reset is designed to help you restore balance, calm the nervous system, and reconnect with your inner peace. Yoga Nidra, often referred to as yogic sleep, is a guided meditation that leads you into a state between waking and sleeping. It's an ancient practice and has been popularized in modern times for its profound benefits. During this practice, you'll be guided to a state of deep relaxation while remaining fully aware, allowing your mind and body to rest and reset. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and fatigue, while also improving sleep quality and promoting emotional well-being. It's a powerful tool for accessing the subconscious mind, making it especially useful in a therapeutic setting for things like healing trauma and addressing emotional blockages. All you need to do is find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting back with support, and simply listen. There is nothing you need to do but allow yourself to be guided. So just starting to close your eyes and begin to bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply through the nose, allowing the belly to rise, and exhale slowly through the mouth, letting the belly fall. Feel the gentle ebb and flow of your breath, allowing it to anchor you into this present moment. Begin by noticing the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Allow yourself to sink into this support, feeling the weight of your body melting away. With each breath, feel the tension begin to dissolve. As you settle in, allow your awareness to expand, embracing the space around you. Now gently bring the mind to an intention for this practice. This intention can be a word, phrase, or feeling you wish to cultivate within your life. It could be something like peace, healing, calmness, or love. And as you silently state this intention to yourself, feel it resonate within the heart, allowing you to guide you through this practice. Now let's begin the body scan. Bring your awareness to the right thumb, feeling any sensations in the right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, pinky finger, top of the right hand, palm of the right hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, top of the right arm, armpit, shoulder, relaxing the whole of the right arm completely. Shifting the awareness to the left thumb, noticing any sensations within the left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth, pinky finger, top of the left hand, palm of the left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, top of the left arm, armpit, 'Armpit, 'shoulder, 'relaxing the whole of the right arm completely. Shifting the awareness to the left thumb, noticing any sensations within the left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth, pinky finger, top of the left hand, palm of the left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, top of the left arm, armpit, shoulder. Feeling the whole of the left arm relax completely. Moving the awareness down the legs and the feet. Right big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth. Sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, ankle, calf, right knee, top of the right thigh, right hip, relaxing the whole of the right leg together, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, ankle, calf, left knee, top of the thigh, releasing any tension in the left hip, relaxing the whole of the left leg completely. Moving the awareness to the abdomen, relaxing the muscles within the stomach, rib cage, chest, relaxing the throat, back of the neck, running the awareness down the spine, releasing any tension within the spine, lower back, mid back, top of the back, relaxing the shoulder blades, feeling the whole torso and back relax completely. Moving the awareness to the back of the skull, top of the skull, right temple, left temple, softening the right ear, left ear, relaxing the right eye, left eye, right cheek, left cheek, moving the awareness to the nose and both nostrils, relaxing the lips and feeling the jaw relax completely. Feeling the whole face and skull relaxed. Moving the awareness to the right side of the body. Feeling the whole of the right side of the body together. Moving the awareness to the left side of the body. Relaxing the whole of the left side of the body. Moving the awareness to the whole body, feeling the whole body relaxed completely. Now bring your awareness back to the navel, feeling the rise and the fall of the belly, noticing the sensations within your body. Beginning to become aware of the surface beneath you. Noticing any sounds around you. Start to wiggle the fingers and the toes, signaling the body to wake up. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open the eyes. This practice of Yoga Nidra is finished. Take your time as you transition back to the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this Yoga Nidra practice as part of my Zen system offerings. Remember that you can return to the state of deep relaxation and awareness whenever you need it. Carry this sense of peace and calm with you as you move throughout your day.